Welcome back to Positron IDE Learning. Here you see that on the top I have Python available and I have R available. Since I have three dots, these I can click to show all the versions of Python that are available to me. So when I click it, I see that version 3.8.10 is available. So this way you can have more than one versions of Python available to you if you have already installed those versions. So how we get there? We get here because we have installed version 3.12.4 as well as 3.8.10, both global versions. So let us open a folder and try to work on these versions. One way is just to drag the folder that you want to open, go here and hover over Explorer and then drop it on open folder. And voila, here you go. So this folder, which had all the files and folders for my Python apps, that gets opened. So let us run this one, 10_qf_app. This one I clicked on app. If I like, I can collapse the folders, click outside. But if I want to go into a particular app, I can go here and click app.py, and then I will make sure that I have this stacked layout available to me, and then I run this. And here my app opens. And if I like, I can open the current URL in the default browser. Definitely it would be running in the local host. This application is about present value calculation, and I can click generate line plot for the present value, and this is working amazingly fine. So this clearly proves that yes, in Positron IDE, you can have multiple versions of Python and you can choose one of them for working. What you have to do before getting here, you have to install these versions, you have to create the environment, and then you have to activate the environment. Also make sure whatever libraries your app.py file is using, you have also installed them through pip install commands. So once you do that, you will be able to run these files in Positron IDE. See you next time.